I'm James. We're here in Mangatautree on Tane Farm, milking 600 cows. This time last year we installed the PPP feed system. We've got a 50-barrel rotary. When we were assessing what feed systems to use, we found that PPP were the most competitive on price, but also delivering a very high quality product. We've put in the double feed head system, stainless bins, continuous all the way around. There's no gaps for cows to get anything stuck in. It's watertight, so we inject a little bit of water to keep dust down. We can also feed liquid if we want to in the future. With the two feed head system, we have the ability to fill one silo up with one type of concentrate and the other silo with a different type of concentrate. So we can feed and blend as we please. The system has several sensors, so only the cow walking into the bale will get fed once. If that cow goes round, there's a sensor that picks it up, it cuts off, that says there's a cow there, so it won't get fed on the second lap. And also if you have to reverse the platform up, it knows not to feed those bales. You know, that's a huge saving in feed each day and really handy for budgeting feed and timing that feed truck each time. The feed savings, the time savings far outweighs the cost of installing the system. And we've been really happy with the results we've had so far. Find absolutely no problems.
I'm Paul Stevens. We farm here with 350 hectares. Our family's been here since 1858 and we milk roughly around that 320 cows with a bit of beef too and a bit of native bush. In my 30-barrel rotary I have a platform feed dispenser, basically for accuracy with continuous tray system and with a mineral dispenser externally. Yeah, the reason why I installed the feed system was to save on labour and wastage. For getting staff, for making it easy, clay country's hard to get trailers around and there's a lot of wastage, so it's a lot better to have an inshed feeding system. It's simple for everybody. We were once a day, now it was enabling us to go twice a day too, with getting cows and calf in holding condition.
I'm Paddy Thornton and my share milker George McFarlane. We farm in Mangatautree in Northland. I'm on sort of 160 hectares with about 330 odd cows, so we're only about 2.2 cows a hectare. In the past we've been sort of system 1, now with system 2 breaking into system 3, we'll get better benefit. We've decided to put a feed system in as our milk's getting more and more valuable, so we've got to really look after our cows. On the system we had them on 2 k's, they only got fed once a day we were milking, and the twice a day mob got sort of 1.5 k's per feed. We don't have to alter it in between herds, we can just flick from 1 to 2 and that automatically is set for them.
It's a very simple operation. You turn a switch and away she goes. Every cow gets her own individual portion of feed, which has been a huge advantage. Prior to the meal in-shed system, we're using PK trailers, and obviously the bossy cows got in there and left all the heifers and they couldn't get in and get their portion of feed. And obviously you get a little bit of wastage from cows licking it over the edge. With this system we have very minimal wastage and pretty much nothing, so it's working real well.
With the mineral dispenser we can alter our minerals or put whatever minerals we want into it that will blend into their feed, so every cow gets the same. We don't need a top gate on our cow yard now, because as the cows just keep flowing in, and all that saves a massive amount of time.